Hi, today we will explore India, a country as vast as it is diverse, with a culture and history that fascinates the world. India is the seventh largest country in the world and the second most populous, home to over 1.4 billion people. Known as the cradle of ancient civilizations, India's history and culture span thousands of years. India's history is a mosaic of civilizations, empires, and cultures, making it one of the most historically rich places on the earth. The Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's earliest urban cultures, flourished here over 4,500 years ago. India has seen the rise of great empires from the Mauryas and Guptas to the Mughals and Marathas, leaving behind stunning architecture and traditions. India is famous for its diversity. Here, people of all religions, languages, and traditions live side by side, creating a colorful cultural tapestry. India is the birthplace of four major religions: Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism. It's also home to large Muslim, Christian, and other communities, with 22 official languages and over 1600 dialects. The country's diversity is unmatched. India's landmarks are world famous, but its natural beauty is equally breathtaking. From the snowy peaks of the Himalayas to the golden sands of Rajasthan. The Taj Mahal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is one of the seven wonders of the world. India's landscape range from dense forest and wildlife sanctuaries to serene beaches and deserts, offering something for every traveler. India's influence extends far beyond its borders. From ancient knowledge to modern innovations, it has shaped the world in many ways. India gave the world yoga, Ayurveda, and the concept of zero in mathematics. Today, it's a global leader in technology with its space agency ISRO achieving remarkable milestones. Bollywood, the world's largest film industry, entertain millions worldwide. Festivals and foods are the heart of Indian culture. There's always something to celebrate and always something delicious to eat. Festivals like Holi, Diwali, and Eid bring people together with color, lights, and joy. Indian cuisine is a blend of spices and flavors, offering iconic dishes like butter chicken, masala dosa, and sweets like gulab jamun. India is a country where tradition and progress go hand in hand. It's growing rapidly while preserving its rich heritage. As one of the fastest growing economies, India is a hub for technology, science, and business. Yet, its traditions of hospitality and spirituality remain at its core. India is more than a country, it's experience a story of resilience, culture, and endless possibilities. Its diversity and spirit make it truly incredible. Thank you for joining on this journey through India. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories from around the world.